ICD-10 is a large administrative and financial undertaking for physicians who are already overwhelmed by increasing regulatory requirements. Industry experts estimate the cost for small practices to achieve ICD-10 compliance at between $25,000 and $56,000. Having had the privilege of working with hundreds of small to mid-sized practices over the last 15 years, we realize that most don't have the resources to carve out that kind of money. The list of regulatory issues facing providers today, things like the EHR incentive program, quality initiatives from Medicare, reductions in commercial fee schedules, increasing federal and state regulations, and the ever-increasing risk from both HIPAA and CMS audits, means that no matter the size of your practice, your resources are stretched thin. Hiring a dedicated full-time ICD-10 project management team might not be in your budget. Cornerstone began working on a solution to this problem. And the larger the estimates of costs and the more frequent the doomsday predictions, the more determined we were to solve the problem in a cost-effective way. It was from this resolve that our step-by-step project management service was created. It's called the Path to Find. We've laid out the path to follow and addressed every area of your practice that's touched by ICD-10. Offices that join this program will be guided and supported throughout the ICD-10 implementation. Cornerstone has developed a full-scale project plan to implement ICD-10. We've taken all of the elements needed to be successful and bundled them into an easy-to-follow plan. Each package includes detailed tasks with due dates, worksheets, web-based training programs, and other items that will help prepare your office for this major change. Cornerstone hosts a project webinar for each package in the plan. During this event, we'll detail the tasks in the package, explain how to use the worksheets, and answer any questions that you may have about the deliverables within the package. Web-based training classes support the activities in each package and are included in the cost of the program. This program is designed to support your entire office and not just the physician. We have training classes for billing staff, for front desk and administrative roles in your office. The content of the webinars is slightly different for our members. You'll get additional handouts and other tools to help address each topic we present. The members-only section of our website is dedicated to our ICD-10 clients. It's here that you'll retrieve your project documents, update your project status, and have unlimited access to the webinar schedules and archived course materials. Membership in the program entitles your office to receive unlimited email support, a members-only newsletter with tips and tricks and tasks to help you master each topic. You'll have access to live and recorded webinars, our ICD-10 Documentation Readiness Assessment Program, and priority notification of upcoming classroom sessions. Shortly after you join, you'll receive your first project package. Let me show you just some of the items you'll receive in the package. In the first package, you'll get your project documents. These documents outline the process this project will follow, the roles we've defined, and how to go about assigning staff members to those roles. You'll get the first package of the project plan. We'll guide you through how to read the plan, how to assign the tasks, and how to report your progress back to Cornerstone. You'll see the project training plan for each role in your office and get an overview of the places we'll be heading. Worksheets are little gems that will provide a step-by-step path toward achieving your milestones. In your first package, the worksheet guides you through setting up your project, assigning team members to roles, and confirming the training sessions. The first two webinars, How to Kick Off This Project and An Introduction to ICD-10, are included. Introduction to the members-only section of our website dedicated to just our ICD-10 project members. This is where all of your documents will be stored and where progress on all your tasks will be reported. And your project dashboard. This is a graphical representation of the work you're doing, if you're ahead or behind schedule, and what you have left to complete. This report card of your progress is provided to you with each new package. Each package builds on the previous work and has some of the same basic elements. There'll be documents to read, project plan parts, worksheets, webinars, and your dashboard. Some packages will include additional reading and tests to take to measure the new knowledge you'll gain. Here are just some of the topics we'll cover in this program. Establishing a budget. Making the changes that are necessary will include some outlay of cash. Understanding the risks your practice faces and how to address them. We'll provide tools and training around these important topics. In our training sessions, we'll look for rules for assigning codes and the order in which codes are presented. We'll look at Medicare rules and other coding topics important to your specialty. Each of our webinars lasts about 45 to 50 minutes of presentation, with the last 10 to 15 minutes for open questions. Some of our webinars will even come with tests to measure their effectiveness, and all of the notes and handouts will remain online available to our members in the Members Only section. This program doesn't end on October 1st. Members will continue to receive support and training throughout all of 2015. Members will have access to Cornerstone's experts to identify and resolve issues that occur post-implementation. It's our goal to facilitate the best possible cash flow for your practice, and we'll continue to support your office through January 1st of 2016. This is what you get when you join: a dedicated project manager, me, to guide you through this transition, webinars to address the topics and to support your staff in making the changes necessary, 2 iterations of our Documentation Readiness Assessment Program to guide you in making changes in your documentation and to support the codes that you use, the project plan, broken up into 12 easy-to-follow packages, unlimited email support for questions and assistance, our members-only newsletter with tips and tricks and tasks to help you master the topics, the project dashboard built just for your practice that shows where you are on your journey, and support to resolve those issues that are bound to arise in the aftermath of a change this large. Now that you know what the path to find is and how it can help your office implement ICD-10, I'm sure you're wondering about the cost of the program. As I said before, we set out to find a cost-effective way to help small to mid-sized offices make this enormous change. The total cost to each provider office is $2,500. If you have additional providers in your office, each additional provider costs an additional $300, and the program costs can be spread over the life of the program. To help offices that are ready to get started, we're offering a $500 discount to providers that sign up for the service before the 31st of March. That brings the total cost to $2,000 for a single provider office. To get started, go to our website at cstonemedical.com, choose Catalog, and select the path to find. The link will allow you to set up your recurring payments and get registered for the program. Once you receive the registration, you'll get a contract and HIPAA Business Associate Agreement by email. Simply sign those in return, and we'll get ready to start. Remember, the ICD-10 clock is ticking.